Namaste everyone, welcome back to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. आजको भिडियोमा I'm sharing 15 plus stunning plant styling ideas to make your home calm, beautiful and natural aesthetic. So let's begin. Number 1. Corner tall plant. A plant like areca palm or fiddly fig instantly fills empty corners and adds height to the room. Number 2. Plant shelf styling. Layer different plant size on a shelf to create a soft, calming look. Number 3. Tabletop mini greens. Small plants like succulent, pothos, cactus adds freshness without taking space. Number 4. Hanging planters. Perfect for balconies, kitchen and windows. Saves space and adds drama. Number 5. Bathroom greens. Moisture-loving plants like fern, pothos and peace lilies thrive in bathrooms. Number 6. Coffee table plant. A small vase or mini plant adds softness and natural charm to your living room. Number 7. Entryway plant decor. Welcome guests with a statement plant placed near the main door. Number 8. Windowsill plants. Sun-loving plants like aloe, jade and herbs grow beautifully here. Number 9. Bedroom clean air plants. Snake plants and lavender make the bedroom relaxing and breathable. Number 10. Kitchen counter herbs. Add small herb pots for a fresh and functional vibe. Number 11. Planter ladder stand. Organize multiple plants vertically using a decorative ladder shelf. Number 12. Wall mounted planters. Create a modern plant wall without using floor space. Number 13. Paired plant combo. Group 2 to 3 plants of different heights for balanced styling. Number 14. Monstera corner styling. A monstera adds tropical vibe and large beauty lifts. Number 15. Plant plus mirror combo. Place a plant near a mirror to reflect greenery and brighten the space. Number 16. Floor baskets for plants. Use woven baskets for a warm, cozy boho look. And number 17. Study table minimal plants. A tiny succulent boosts focus and adds calm energy. And this was our list of 15 plus stunning plant styling ideas to elevate your home naturally. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. See you in the next video. Bye.